Hello everyone, it's Lily. Starting today, I'll be your new drawing teacher. Today we're going to draw the super cute watermelon mascot from CoComelon. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw the main shape of the watermelon body. It looks like a cute, rounded square or a little retro TV. Draw a smooth, gentle curve. Next, draw matching curves on both the left and right sides to shape an oval. Then, connect the bottom with another smooth curve, and the overall outer shape is complete. Now, let's draw a smaller oval inside. Just think of it as drawing a matching shape while keeping a soft, even space from the outer line. Great job! Next, let's put a cute little hat right on top. How about adding those adorable antennae too? Just draw one small circle and then a slightly bigger circle right next to it. Now, let's draw the cute eyes that look just like watermelon seeds. Draw an oval that's slightly narrower at the top and wider at the bottom. It's super easy if you picture a real watermelon seed. Let's fill them in, leaving a little spark of light inside. How does it look? Next, let's draw a cute little nose and a sweet smile curving up on the right side. So cute! Now, it's time to draw the watermelon stripes. Starting from the top, draw a stripe and extend the line down to the bottom. Now, let's draw another stripe on the opposite side to keep it balanced. Let's add a few more stripes on both sides. It's completely okay if it's a little wiggly or uneven. Drawing with a happy heart is what matters most. Even if you make a small mistake, be kind to yourself. That's the most important part. Great job! Now, let's add the center stripe right in the middle. Next, let's draw our cute little ladybug friend. If you find it a bit tricky or don't want to draw it, feel free to stop here and start coloring. But today, I'm going to draw the ladybug too. First, draw the head. And then draw a big eye inside. Remember to leave that tiny bright reflection. Now, let's draw the ladybug's body. We can't forget the cute black spots, right? Add the little antennae and what do you think? Our CoComelon Watermelon mascot and ladybug are officially complete. Now, let's do some coloring. I love how calm and peaceful my mind feels whenever I color. I really hope you get to experience that same joy and relaxation too. How did your CoComelon drawing turn out? If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!